this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of building the Infinity Gauntlet with Littlefinger Part 6. More of this to go after looking at the battle in the past. This is at the movies. Time heist. Five years later, after the snap. 5 years after the snap, yeah. Cool, all good things. Littlefinger Part 6, yes. The appearance of the parts may be slightly different. They're not basically the same. So yes, this is the parts that we use to continue the assembly, but we're not actually putting them together this time. This is just a look at these parts issue. They're telling us about the different fingers. I shall get the fingers out and we'll have a look and see if we can see any differences. I can't do the middle finger that we haven't finished, or the ring finger that we haven't finished yet because of missing parts. But yeah, we'll have a look at all the parts that we've got so far and go from there. But these parts we're not doing anything with. I'll figure out exactly where I think they're going to go. The Impossible Man. Who that is? Looks like a little fun person. No, very, very strange. Yep, strange. And yes, X-Force group cable. So yeah, there we go. Another artist or illustration. Yep, another artist there. All right, let's do this out of the way. Let's have a look at today's parts and parts we've got so far, apart from the whole hand thing, because that's huge. I'm not moving that around. So today's parts, we've got another metal bit and the two joining pieces. We've not got the front bit of that to do yet. That's going to go on there. That. It's got to be outside, but it can't be. It might be outside. I don't really know. I can't tell exactly how that's going to go on there, but it's got a keyed in piece. Got a key in like that on the other side. And that are going to go together. Somehow there's going to be another side to that, isn't there? That's going to have to be in there. I don't really know. It's been so long since I've done the last part of this that I don't know exactly how those are going to go together. We've got the thumb, which really gives the scale of the whole thing, doesn't it? Considering this is the little finger. We've got the index and middle fingers, which, for all intents and purposes, are the same, except the shaping of this is a little bit different between the two. One is a bit more curvy than the other. So other than that, the size is the same. And we've got all we have so far. Well, not all we have. I've got lots of other parts that I haven't even opened yet of the ring finger. But because, let's say, the next part after this being missing, I can't do anything with those. So I'll put those aside with that. That is everything that we've got so far finger related. So we've got thumb, index, middle, ring, and a little finger. So yeah, so we're going to have the 3 plates for this. Another bit for the middle. What we've got? Yeah, because there's on the outside. And we've got 1, 2, 3. Maybe 2 more of those. I don't know. Maybe less because it's a smaller finger, isn't it? So definitely going around the outside of that. So yeah, that is big enough to go around the outside of that. That's going to go on there like that. Leave that together a bit like that. There's probably might not be a washer to go on there, but either way. That's going to go on there a bit like that, and that's going to connect up somewhere inside to do something. A little bit different to all of these. Sort of coming from the middle. So there's another side of that, and that's going to be a post that's going to support it into the body. Just like that. That one's going to go on that side. A bit like that, probably. Ish. We'll figure it out. But that's for next time. Now we are completed. That's all of the bits that I can build from this pack. Things are still a little bit up in the air as to individual issues. So, yeah, I've got lots more parts, but not so much instructions and things to do with them. But next time, I think there's quite a few coming in the next few weeks. So hopefully I'll be able to come back to this very soon and do a bit more, and hopefully come back and do a little bit more of this. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.